first time is now finished. I will attempt to pick this up so you can see it and drop your things line. So it is very long, goes all the way down to there. So on me it touches the floor. Hi guys, I swear this is the real audio for this game. I have not added anything in. I played this on silent, so I didn't know what the audio was until I'm now editing. It's unique. So this is just a little finder game. It's called Hidden Folks. I got it on a bundle for a Black Lives Matter charity thing from Itch. It's a indie game site thing. So you buy like lots of indie games from it. It's kind of a bit like Steam, from what I can work out anyway. But yeah, you just basically have to go around finding the stuff at the bottom of the list down there. So the first level was pretty quick and simple, but this one, you'll see by the end of this, I actually gave up and moved on. These sounds are just hilarious. I don't know what to make of them. I left them in. Normally I would do a game silent because sometimes my game stuff's been dinged for the sound, so I've just taken them down. But this was just hilarious. I had to leave it in. So yeah, it's kind of like Where's Wally? You find all the extra characters, but this one has moving characters and things hidden behind things. So it's quite good fun. There's a lot to search for and find, as you can see. There is more than you're currently seeing. You'll see it at some point. I actually move the screen around to see the rest of it. But you have to kind of click on everything, because anything could be hid behind anywhere. You can see a little tick appears at the bottom when you find something, so you know what you found, which is handy. Can you lot find any of it? I wonder if you lot can find the stuff I never managed to find. Because I still haven't found them. I've tried again and still haven't. I honestly wonder what the guy was on when he made these sounds. It's hilarious. So we go, let's just see I move things around. Now in a minute I'm going to undercover one of the characters and I'm not even going to notice I've done it. And it takes me a long time to realise I've actually found it. Like near the end of this video. Wonder if you can spot what I've uncovered and not noticed. Put in the comments if you spotted it before me. Which is not hard, because seriously, it took me a long time to realise I'd uncovered it. I do like to try to find things in order, but that didn't go to plan with this, because some of the stuff I was just really struggling to find. Found that one, look, jumping up and down. So you can move on if you want, even though you haven't finished the level, but I wanted to try to find it. So, as you can see, the next one on the list is this bear. Now, who spotted it? Because as you've been paying attention, you know I already found it, but I don't realise I found it for a long time. So I just keep looking around and miss it loads. So is this the strangest game sound you've ever heard? Have you heard weirder? Let me know in the comments, maybe I'll check out the game. Other than the weird sounds, I actually did enjoy this game though. It is quite good fun because there's just so much to interact with and find. It must have took a long time to make. I will hopefully have it linked in the comments, in the description, so you can go and check out this game yourself. I don't know if it's available on Steam. As I said, I got it from Itch, but I know some games are available on both places, so I will check, and if it is, I will link to both. This is a PC game, for those who aren't aware. I don't know if it comes in any other formats. But I'm more of a puzzle gamer, so this is what you tend to see with me. Lots of different puzzle and hidden object, that sort of things. So if any of you found the stuff I haven't found, if you notice I still haven't remembered, I spotted the bear already. It's just me looking around. Probably a little boring for you, but I thought it was such a hilarious game with the sounds that you might enjoy watching it. Who wouldn't mind living in one of those tree houses away from the world right now? Wouldn't that be lovely? Has anyone spotted the lizard, the duck, and the little basket? Because they're the three things I don't find. So if you found them, please tell me. Should have said spoiler alert, which tells you I find the other things, doesn't it?
Bling.
Yeah, found two pretty quickly there. Anyone else want to join them hiding in a tree right now? 2020 is one of those years, isn't it? You just want to go and hide. So what you all been up to anyway? You playing any games? Doing any crafts? Having a life outside of home? Because I know most of us aren't right now. You'd be surprised how many games you can find that are a good price if you just shop around when you've got nothing else to do. I mean, I say I've got nothing else to do. I do have studying to do and a business to run, but you know, sometimes you want some time off. And yes, I still haven't remembered where the teddy is at this point. Anyone else feeling rather dumb? I have hopefully got the volume down on the game a little because it was quite loud. I'm hoping I've managed to edit that down, so do let me know if it is still quite loud.
Bling.
Who does not find that funny? Let's just cheer you up, wouldn't it? These random sounds. If I can work out how, I might go live sometime playing this and you can all help me find the things. And there we go, there's the teddy. How long did that take me? Anyone remember when I uncovered that earlier? It's ridiculous, isn't it? But that's basically the last thing I find on here. I can't find the others. I don't know what I've done. I just can't find them. I think by this point I was going a little cross-eyed, to be fair. There's a lot to see in this. So yeah, if you found the missing islands down there, please do comment. Let me know. Put me out of my misery. I can't find them. And then I give up and I move on to the next level. This one's a much easier level. You just got to help them walk along the path. Most of it's pretty self-explanatory. There's one part that's really obvious, and you'll see that I don't get it because I said to it. I'm sorry, these sounds are just hilarious. And there we go, I finally clicked on it. Nice leisurely stroll. By this point I've worked on, you got to pull them up, not just click on it. Now it's just going to finish a little walk all the way down and around to the ladder, and then down, and that's the end of the level. So it's a really simple, quick level, much easier than the first one. So I'll see you all later. You take care. Bye.